Welcome to Digital and FinTech Analytics channel.
Now next we will be going to personalized hit ratio. So what is personalized hit ratio? Personalized hit ratio is a metric that is used to measure how well a recommendation system performs for individual user. It focuses on whether the system's recommendation includes at least one item that the user actually likes or wants, as shown in the ground truth basket, the items they have actually interacted or purchased with in the past. For example, let's say we have like around 100 users and the system recommends 10 items to each user. Okay. So after evaluating the recommendation system, we found that for 60 out of the 100 users, the recommended items include at least one items that they like or have interacted with. So in that particular case, the personalized hit ratio will be 60%, indicating that the recommendation system successfully captures at least one item from the ground truth basket for the 60% of the user. So what happens in this personalized hit ratio? So say like you have 100 users in our database, and out of this 100 users, or say like 60 users, when we predict some item, there is some prediction column and there is some uh, ground truth column, which has like all the ground truth items, or like ground truth basket we can say, which has basically all the items that have been purchased in the last transactions. So for these 60 users, so say like at least there is one item that is overlap between this prediction and actuals. This is our actuals also. So if there is at least one item overlap between this uh, 60 for the 60 user, then the PHR rate is like 60 by 100. Now 60%, the PHR value is like 60%. So that personalized hit ratio says that recommendation system successfully captures at least one item from the ground truth basket for 60% of the users. So, so this is also one of the very important metric, personalized hit ratio. On the code side, it says like if there is any overlap between the actuals and prediction, any one item overlap between actual and prediction, then it will return one or zero. So that's pretty much on personalized hit ratio. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this content valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future insights into data science, AI, machine learning, and analytics. Looking to master data science or drive data-driven success? I offer expert training, mentorship, and consultancy for individuals and organizations. Let's collaborate. Reach out via my contact details in the bio.